Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove repost on TikTok. So if I go on my TikTok account and if I select this video and go for this share icon here and if I repost it, then if you need to again remove this repost, then just go for this again share option here, and just you need to remove this repost and it's removed. So guys, this is how you can remove repost on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.